In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect Runna to your Apple Watch so you can follow your training plan directly from your wrist. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your Runna on your iPhone, and then on the top left corner, you will see your profile icon. I want you to click on it and then scroll down until you find the connected apps and devices. Now, under watches, you will notice that it supports smartwatches including Apple Watch, Garmin, Coros, Fitbit, Suunto, and Amazfit. All I have to do now is click the Connect Watch, and from the selection, Runna pairs with the smartwatch so that they can coach you through your workouts live as you run. Click the Apple Watch. All I have to do now is click the Sync to Apple Watch. If you want to turn on all these settings to have more control for the location, Apple Health, Apple Watch, and Strava, it's up to you. And all I have to do now is click the Open. And what will happen is you will be forwarded to the Apple Watch and you have successfully connected your Runna app on your Apple Watch. And your watch will now guide you through your session with pacing and interval cues. Now, if in case it doesn't sync right away, all I have to do now is open the Runna iPhone app and pull down to refresh or click the Start Pairing. Okay? You can set up for yourself or set up for a family member. It's up to you. Alright? But basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect Runna to your Apple Watch. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.